Hello friends, welcome to our channel Meet the Flavors. Today we are gonna dedicate this recipe to all the fish lovers. Yes, our today's recipe is a fish curry, a famous Bengali style fish curry Pabdar chhal. Or you can say it's butterfish cooked with mustard and poppy seeds. So let's start the recipe and check out the ingredients first. So here I have taken 3 big sizes of pabda or butterfish. Now we are gonna marinate this with little bit of salt, then 1 teaspoon of mustard oil, little bit of red chili powder and turmeric powder. Now we need to rub the both sides of this fish with the spices and oil and marinate for 15 minutes. And always remember, please use little bit of mustard oil in this fish marination because it will help to absorb the flavors of all the spices in the fish. And for gravy, I have used 2 medium sized of onion blended to make a paste. And this is the most important ingredient for the gravy. And to make this, I have used 2 green chilies, 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds, 1 teaspoon of white mustard and 1 teaspoon of black mustard. I have blended all this to make a paste. Now it's been 15 minutes and time to fry the fish pieces, and for that I have taken 4 tablespoons of mustard oil in a pan. Firstly I will heat it up, and when the oil is hot enough, add these marinated fish pieces one by one gently into the hot oil. And remember one thing, as these butterfish are very soft and delicate in nature, having thin skin, so you need to add in this pan when the oil is hot enough only, unless the skin may stick to the pan. Now it's been almost 3 minutes and time to shallow fry the other side of the fish pieces, and you need to handle very gently. And like this, you need to shallow fry both the sides on low medium flame. Now in the same oil what I have used to fry the fish pieces, here I am adding 1 teaspoon of black mustard. And then you need to add this onion paste into that oil and saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Now add 3 to 4 sliced green chilies, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of red chili powder. And here I am using 1 teaspoon of cumin powder too. Now mix all the spices and saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Now you can see that oil has already started separating from the spices, and here I have added this mustard and poppy seed paste and a little bit of water. Here I have taken half cup of water. Then mix this well together and cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Now after 5 minutes you can see our gravy is almost ready, and I have added 2 more cup of water. Then add these fried butterfish pieces into this gravy, and we will cook it for next 5 minutes on low medium flame. Here you can see these butterfish pieces are well cooked and has soaked all the flavors and spices from the gravy. Now add little bit of coriander leaves on top to garnish, and then turn off the flame. So this Sorshe Pabda or Pabdar chhal or this butterfish with the mustard and poppy seeds gravy now ready for serving. You can have it with rice or pulao as per your wish. So all the fish lovers, please try this recipe in your home, and this is the kind of main course which doesn't require any side dish. And if you like our recipe, please click the like button and share it with others, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel, and for upcoming new recipes please click the bell icon. Thank you.